Hey everyone, and welcome back to Craft Food Nation. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make this Dollar Tree door hanger for less than $5. Almost all of our supplies came from the Dollar Tree. Today I'm using this home decal, some nautical rope, a package of the burlap ribbon, this chalk paint, which is actually Waverly and came from Walmart for $1.97, this pizza pan, and a bunch or two of the spring flowers. The first thing that you're going to want to do is remove your label from your pizza pan. Then we're going to add about 3 coats of chalk paint. I sped up the drying time between coats of paint by using my hair dryer, otherwise you'd have to wait between 10 to 15 minutes for each coat. Now that our paint is dry, you're ready to apply the decals. The great thing about these decals is that they're repositionable, so if you put it down incorrectly the first time or you don't like where the placement is, you can always peel and stick until you've got it just where you want it. Here's what your pizza pan will look like with your decal on it now. Next, we're going to add the nautical rope to the border of the pan. For this step, I'm going to be using my hot glue gun. I start out by adding a line of hot glue and attaching my rope. I do this until I finish going around the perimeter of the plate. Once you've made it around the border of the pan, you're going to cut your nautical rope. I went ahead and added an additional line of the rope around the border just to add some thickness and dimension to it. Now we're ready to add our flowers. Even though I had bought 2 bunches of these flowers, I ended up only using 1 bunch. I started out by snipping the flower stems from the entire bunch itself, and then I played around with the placement of it, bending it here and there until it looked the way that I liked it to look. Once I figured out what I wanted the placement to look like, I ended up trimming off some of the extra stems so that it was easier to glue down in position. Then I started gluing. Once everything was glued in place, I added a little bit of extra hot glue just to make sure that everything was super secure. While the glue holding the flowers in place was drying, I went ahead and started on my bow. Now, I'm not really the greatest at making bows, so I made a super simple version. I took about 20 inches of the burlap ribbon and used floral wire to tie a knot in the center of the ribbon. Then, I took some extra black ribbon that I had just to cover up that floral wire to make it look nice and finished. Once I finished my bow, I attached it to the pan using hot glue. Now that the front side of my pan was done, the last step was to create a hanger. I did this by gluing some of the extra nautical rope that I had left over to the back of the pan. And there's our finished product. A beautiful door hanger made out of Dollar Tree products for less than $5. Thanks so much for joining us today. We hope you had fun with us in the craft room. If you tried this craft, let us know how it turned out in the comments and be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye!